Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Can you hear me? Hi. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? It's Tuesday today, right? Awesome. All right. Good morning, Carrie. Good morning, Five Handles. Marco. Ghost Liquidity. Extra. Brick Brown Chan. Only You. Henry. Table. Tommy. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Sai. Good morning, Mohammed. Alphas. New York boy. Oh, wow, New York boy. I mean, it's in the middle of the night right now for you, isn't it? Good morning, good morning. Derek. Kevin. Lance K. Min Mass Infinity. Swan Hin, yeah. Daniel Trader, hello. Butter Keeper. Anubis Trace. Vincent Lu. D Ho. Kate Chase Future, hello. We finally got some females. I think Kate, you're probably the only female traders here. Levine, hello. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. So, how's everyone? Oh, Rachel, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Rachel. How can I miss you, right? So Rachel is the first female trader, and Kate Trade Futures is the second. How's that? How's that sound? Oh, awesome! You got the third girl here. Oh, really? So we get Dora's age. Great. I don't know. I have so many female traders here because, like YouTube, they got the analytics, like the back end data. You can take a look for the genders, and they're showing the genders 100% male. I was like, what have I done? Like, I feel like I'm doing OnlyFans. How can be there like 100% male? What is that? So, okay, now I know the backend data is not accurate, right? Because there's no way that's 100% male. Momo, female too. Awesome, awesome. Oh, Doris born in HK, grew up in Canada. Okay, great, great. All right, so today we're gonna trade the NQU or the MNQU because we roll over. So in case anyone didn't do it yet. So how are we determine if we should roll over or not? So this is the barchart.com. And why I use the barchart.com instead of the CME, because they got the real-time data. Because maybe if you check like right now before the Monday morning, before New York market open, the CME won't show the real-time data, but in barchart.com, since we trade London, right, we can check the real-time data. So this is the last step futures. All right, so NQM, NQSAT, sorry here, like this is the NQU. Where is that? Okay, NQU here. I'm so sorry. This was 29. Here is the NQU, NQM. So here's it show the volume and open interest. ICT told us to use the open interest instead of the volume only, because if we only look at the volume, yesterday, I think London session, the volume of NQUs already surpassed the NQM. But for the open interest, it didn't happen until New York session and today. So I will only roll over when the open interest of the previous contract is less than the current contract. Yeah. So anyone got some green yesterday? I think I saw some posts said all you have to do yesterday is like just take a long position and close the chart and you'll be rich, isn't it? Isn't it the truth? Mon 早晨喎，呢個係而家係早晨。Today Asia got red. Broke all account yesterday. Kevin, are you alright? Are you good? Like, I mean, if you blow up the account, it's just some little cost. I mean, when you buy an account, it's just few $100 away. But just don't let it to affect your mentality because you have to keep going. So, you know, touch some grass, go for a walk, and make sure you can recover your mental loss. Capital loss is okay, mental loss is huge. So let me take a look. Alright, the spread today looks alright. And Asia session today, the range is okay too. So I think I can trade NQ again, like the mini. Like if you remember last time we checked the NQM, it was like 2.5 spread, and then we got 400 points for the Asia range, right? That is the time that I should go trade Michael's MNQ. Today, I think I can just switch back to mini. But we are consolidating right now, and we just got a large ring yesterday. No idea yet. Candy 姐. Last time someone called me aunt. I thought you guys want to call me auntie, isn't it? Monday is always worse to trade. Why? Let me take a look on the calendar. Do we got any high impact news? So Wednesday we got FOMC, right? FOMC statement, FOMC press conference. So it's tomorrow. And Friday is a US bank holiday. So we got another long weekend. Daniel, they should call you babe. What? Why someone's typing what that language is? Russian? Sorry, I can't speak Russian. JPY interest rate decision may be the cause of this Asia session? You mean this bullish move? Let me take a look. Alright, so right now, no SMT. We got, I mean, it's just so clear, right? The LRL here. Please tell me you see it too, right? I'm not the only one seeing all this shit, right? All this LRL here. This Asia high sweep, this swing high. Price we chase back to, I think this is the golden ratio. We chase back to the OTE. Go up again, sweep all these, LR. Again, touching the end dot, new day opening gap. Go down again, leaving this low here and the equal low. Right now we chase back to mean opening price and end dot. Alright, we'll see. Oh, did you guys watch the short, the YouTube short that I posted, I think, on Sunday? That's the first short. I mean, like usually anything that happen for first time is gonna be suck. I know it's kind of like a failure, a lot to improve. But let me know what's your feedback. I think I can make something better, but I have to do it first, right? If I wait till everything like gets ready to start, then I can't start forever. So I have to start something first. Yes, the FOMO one. Did you add it yourself? No way. No way. There's no way I added myself. If I added it myself, you probably have to wait 1 month for one short, you know? Um, Big Yellow Rabbit. Why didn't you live stream yesterday? Oh, someone didn't watch our last stream on last week. Or is probably you didn't join our Discord. So sometimes if I don't stream, if I decide to cancel or decide to have something special for the stream, I will definitely keep you guys posted in Discord. Because Monday we got the like for my local time Monday is the UFC White House, the UFC Freedom 250. Yes, watching the UFC, bro. Usually the main events only last around 3 hours, but yesterday it lasts for I think 4.5 hours, 4.5 hours. That's crazy. And you know Alex lost, like got KO. That is disaster. So you said that we got FOMC this week, so the market will keep choppy. Well, I'm sure that on Wednesday, the session before FOMC, like FOMC it lands at 2:30, right? So the NYM session is probably choppy, and also the London session is highly likely. But today is fine. Today is fine because it's not NFP, right? They got some difference. The FOMC won't affect the whole week, only that day. Well, of course, if we get other high impact news like something happened in the Middle East or Trump, then it's probably different. Right now, I think it's alright. I mean, if we keep choppy this week, how can you get that long yesterday? Just think about it, right? How can you get all these long position yesterday? And usually after a large range day, like the next day after a large range day, we're gonna be consolidated, which is normal. So it's not due to the FOMC, it's just because of the previous day price action. Alright, let me take a look on the poll. So yesterday, 40% green, 20% red, 37% no chase. Great. So Almost half of you got a green day yesterday. Awesome. Congratulations. Did you take any chase yesterday? No, I didn't even turn on the chat. It's my long weekend. Like, I mean, I wake up at 4:30 yesterday to watch UFC. I'm exhausted, and I watched it for like 4.5 hours. I'm so exhausted. And the good thing become a trader is that you can always skip a day, no matter what. Like it can be just exhausted, probably sick, or just you get somewhere to go. Right? You don't have to work every day. Which country are you from? I'm from Hong Kong. Will you DM your Discord member? No, that's definitely a scammer. No. I actually closed the DM function in Discord and also the friend request function. So whoever under the name Candice is adding you as friend or DMing you, those are fake. So if you like, because we got a Discord server, we can literally communicate in the server. Or if you got something personal, you can create a support ticket. So support will help you to if you want some privacy. So that's just no need to turn on the DM function for me, because we got so many fake accounts. Just remember, you know, anyone who DM you in Discord is not me. Oh, you guys trade SpaceX stocks, right? Oh, you must be rich now. I think it's up a lot, isn't it? Wait. All right, I'm back. Yeah, you get 100 plus DM in Discord. Yeah, that's why I turn off the friend request, because just so many fake accounts adding you. Yeah, Alex was moving up a weight cut, but I mean, if we didn't even take a look on the heavyweight cuts, he was moving so slow compared to his competitor. He keep on getting hit. So even if the other one is lower weight cuts, he will still get hit. Just not that hurt, right? Do you think it's gonna sweep the low first? Let me take a look. Do we got any? Yes, I want to short, but because I was targeting these LL, EQL, right? All right, if this turn into a valid IFUG, I will take a short, but I'm gonna wait for it. All right, patience, right? Patience. I'm not gonna get any FOMO again. Yeah, I can be wrong because we are high time frame bullish, obviously. But I just feel like I can, yeah. because I always looking for like obvious liquidity pool, which this one and these are probably not touching the equal low, but I feel like sweeping these LL is just possible. But of course, you can see we also got liquidity here because we're creating lower low. And we don't get any SMT, but just, you know. This is not my APUS setup. But right now, today, the range is relatively small compared to, you know, our last stream. So yeah, we can put a good stop loss if we enter here. Oh, it's pretty good, I would say. But I have to be patient today. Very patient. You know what? Like, because when I added the shorts, like I didn't edit it myself, but I have to rewatch the whole stream, like fast forwarding it and see which clips should I use, right? So it's like when I was doing my trading journal, I was using Notion or Chasilla, right? Now I got a video format for my trading journal. It's just so good. I feel like you guys can try it, like recording yourself when you're trading. So I can literally see how I react with the price action, like when I'm getting FOMO, when I'm getting in a trade, like what was I thinking? Because this kind of thing is recording in real time. Because in the past when I write my trading journal, it's like I finish the trade and let me memorize, like remember what I've done, and then I write it down. But right now I can literally see it on the screen, like what was I doing, like what is the thought process at that time. So it's pretty good. It's actually improving my whole trading like approach. I feel like you guys should really do it. But you have to talk, like because you have to speak about your thought process when you record yourself. You will wait for the liquid sweep on A68. A68 here? Is that here? A68 is here. Well, if price is going up here, man, I'm not gonna take a shot. Price is gonna keep on going up in that case for London session. And yeah, we may get a reversal, but it probably happened at 4 a.m. If we are going up for the Asia high first, then yeah, we may get a reversal at 3:30 or 4 a.m. Just not right now. Do you wait for 2:30? No, I just wait for my PDRA, my trading model. Right now it's not happening because all the candle bodies are closing at the upper part of this BC. So the short idea is not valid at all. You know, I got something like this. Can you see that? It's a stress relief toy, so you can do this. Isn't it cute? I got it like when I was going to the clinic. What is it called? The skin doctor. What is the English word of that? Man, I gotta do Google Translate of it. You know why is it in English? Why is every doctor got different name? Okay. No. I gotta keep it.
Dermatologist.
點讀啊?
Dermatologist.
Okay. So Google Translate just pronounce it for me. Yes, exactly. What is that? Man, how am I gonna load this word? I've never studied this vocab before. Man. What? Let me do again.
Dermatologist.
Dermatologist. Alright, I just learned a new word. Alright. Yeah, so when I see the dermatologist, because it was painful. So the nurse gave me a stress relief toy. It's not the exactly same, but I feel like it's very useful. And I saw Lanto on Twitter. He was using something like that. It's not a toy, it's like ball. So when he was trading the like 7 figures account, he was using a stress relief ball too. So I feel like it's something we can make good use of when we're trading. But I think I don't need to use that today. When I get a few like losses, when I get losing streak, I will take it out. I will use it. Right now, just patience, waiting for everything. If price sweep this high first, I may just totally skip the short Che idea, because probably we're just going up. Or like I would see how many swing highs price gonna sweep first, and do we get SMT? So I have no idea at the moment. Hey Ray, what do you mean a face? What do you mean? What do you mean? You saw my face before, isn't it? But you know what? This is the typical London session that I love. That price moving slow. We got small range each candle, right? You can see like one candlestick is just few points. And for last week, one candlestick, not like this, it's just a normal candlestick, is 20 points. Right? Sometimes we get a huge move and we get a large range for that candle, but usually each candlestick is just a few points. But for last week, it's 20 points. It's like New York session. So this is the London session that I love. Small range, slow price action, like a reasonable spread. This is perfect. And I changed the light path for the lamp, for the fall lamp. So because we don't have green before, I only got purple. Right now, do you guys see that? Right now I changed it to another one so I can get green. I hope we can turn on this green light today. And I can turn it to red too. But now I will keep it yellow. It's like a traffic light. Good morning, Ollie. Ray, see you later. So how are you doing, Ollie? I saw you not posting that much on social media right now. So I have no idea how you guys doing. Hi, Ted. No. So we once again reject from Andor and the mean opening price. Just ranging in this range, right? We got equal high on ES. I feel like it's like if I really want to take a shot to this LRL and the equal low, like I need at least NQ or ES, one of them sweep a minor bicycle first. Even if it's ES is okay, then we got bearish shafts MT. Because right now, if I want to take a long, it's kind of weird. It's kind of risky. It's kind of risky. Okay, cool, Montana, you want to long this? Sure, you can definitely do that. I mean, like, I won't tell all of you to do what or don't do what. Because I watched some of the live stream, like, the streamer is telling people to stay patient, don't get FOMO, which is right, but I won't tell you if you should get in a trade right now or not, because it should be your own decision, right? But first, not financial advice, but as a trader, we should grow as someone that can make our own decision. If we always just listen to someone else, then I don't think it's a good idea. Our Ray is back, awesome. And that live streamer, at first I would say it's good. I'm not gonna name names because I just love to watch live streams, so he's telling people to don't get FOMO, to stay patient, which is good because this is my weakness. I always got FOMO. But then I found that if you're too patient, it actually means you're fucking scared. Because the move is already gone. It's literally the whole move is finished. And then he finally take a long position, which is actually, it's not even the second leg of the distribution. It's actually the whole bullish move is finished, and he took a long after that move. So of course it's a loss. But I feel like I learned something for those live streamers too, because like sometimes patience actually you're in doubt. You don't know if you get in right now, will you just get stopped right away? Because people are waiting for manipulation first. But sometimes the manipulation can be, for example, like yesterday, I didn't take it. So yeah, it's hindsight, man. I didn't take it because, so it's hindsight. Yeah, you can just, you don't have to take it serious. For example, we open here and those people are waiting for manipulation because usually we got manipulation, we sweeping some sell side equity and stop out some of the long position holders, then price will go up, right? Which is the correct mindset. But actually this week is already the manipulation. So sometimes the manipulation is not necessarily going to the low or here, probably just like this. So the concept is correct, but like we have to identify different shapes of manipulation. Sometimes this is also one of the manipulation. But I would say like it's for educational purpose. I did learn something, so I understand how people are looking. What kind of thing are they looking? What, only no social media for you, just toxic? Yeah, I can totally understand. Trust me, trust me. You have no idea how much hate I got from social media. So I can understand what Tory trades feel right now. I mean, he's getting 100 times of hate, like every day. That's crazy. All that matters for you is your wife and kids. You're right, you're right. But it's still good to have you. I mean, I remember Ollie took a lot of good London trades, right? Back in, I don't know, 2023 or 2022 at that time. I remember I saw you post a lot of good London trades. Are you still trading only London session right now, or you just focus on NY session? Are we gonna dump or what? Right now we're consolidating. I mean, I think you can see that, right? Just wait for a little bit. I mean, at least I had to wait for my model to exist first. And if my models appear and the risk reward ratio is decent, my stop loss isn't too large, then even though like after I enter I got a losing trade, I would still think I'm doing pretty good because I follow all my rules. And as I always talk about, my average win rate is 40 to 45%. So it means that when I took 10 trades, there's gonna be at least 6 of them a losing trades, right? So for 10 stream, you probably see me lose for 6 streams. So which is normal, London is your favorite. And you trade NY Open. Oh, so we're the same. Would you have ticketed live 30 AM launch trade yesterday? But because I didn't take it, so I can't comment it because it's gonna be hindsight. Alright, we trace back to the BC right now. Let me take a look. Do we get SMT? A very minor SMT because it's like equal high, but it's like a lower high for NQ. We need more confirmation. I would use this one instead of just this one because even price turn this BC into a valid IFVG, we still get a larger BC here rating for price. So if I really want to enter for a short, I will use this as PDO. But it didn't mean that you can't use this one, but you're getting higher risk and you get better risk reward ratio. But like, I want more confirmation because we are high time frame bullish. And maybe I'm completely wrong. Then we're fucking bullish for the whole London session. And for my stream, you can always say that I'm telling you, I'm not sure, I don't know, and I'm gonna wait for more confirmation, things like that, because I know this is kind of like trading is kind of like a probability thing. Well, I didn't mean that I was saying market is random. Market is definitely not random, but like it's just probability. Sometimes even if you got your perfect A+ setup, you still get losing trade for it. So I don't want to be so confident about my trades because I was like that before. Like everything aligned. I got everything for my setup, so this must be an A+ setup. I got a win, and then I got losses, and huge losses. So after that, I know, yeah, it can be a losses, no problem. I can be wrong. And so whether market is random or not, there's two theory for that, like the efficiency market and the opposite. But for technical analysis, like for traders using technical analysis, I would say most of us are trading for the theory that market is not random. But like for anyone who's interested of this theory, you can just watch some technical analysis book. It's all out there. No sweep, no chase. Okay, good. Good. But if you, but like, yeah, right. You're right. If I didn't reply to your question, it's because there's so many comments, so I can't read every comment. All right, I'm so sorry. Why do you bother to watch other top traders live stream if you're already doing well, or are you trying to figure out how they get many likes or viewers, followers? No, because watching other people's trade is just, it's different, because like as trader, we don't have co-workers, right? We're not working on a trading desk in a physical office that we got some co-workers that we can talk about how are you doing today, like what's your tradings going, what kind of method do you use, like, you know, without co-workers, it just feels so different, because I used to get a lot of co-workers and teammates to work together. So working as an individual, sometimes you don't know if you're doing right or not. It's not about like the trading model or what. It's like, I think I probably missed something that I didn't realize, and sometimes I need some reminders, which by watching other people's live stream, I will know like what did I miss. And for trading, it's like 10% trading strategy and 90% trading psychology. And for trading psychology, since what we are doing is performance based, it's just like the professional athlete, right? To maintain a good mentality, well, we get a retracement back to the CB with a wick. It's looking good right now. It's looking really good. I'm gonna use this as confirmation. What was I talking about? But you know what? This window will be the best for the full TP, I would say. But if I want to get my full TP here, I have to enter right now to make a 1-to-2 withdrawal ratio. Because if I enter with this BC, it's a little bit risky. No, right now it's not valid yet because it's still a BC, right? It didn't turn into a valid IFUG, so I'm just looking if this is a valid trading setup for me. Right now, it's not yet. Which platform do you use with Lucid to trade? I use Trader8 and NinjaTrader. I only use this platform right now. So even for my personal account, I only use Trader8 and NinjaTrader. No sweep, no chase. What about SMT? What about NQ didn't get the sweep, but yes got it? Then will you get in the chase? Or are you still you have to wait for NQ to get a sweep, because you have to consider that too. If you use the, I don't think I use that. You mean this one? No, I don't. I think ICT mentioned it before. So if price turn this one into a valid average, but I can't take partial if I'm trading mini. Should I change Michael today? Should I go back to Michael's? Man, I have to change Michael? Seriously? That is insane. High time frame looks bullish. Yeah, we definitely high time frame bullish. Just look at the daily time frame. We kept up yesterday. We fucking kept up. And we're so close to all-time high. I'm so sure we're high time frame bullish. Isn't there risk another top trader might mess up your strategy or psychology? Yes. So I mess up all the time. That's why I mess up all the time when I'm watching the live streaming. So if I'm trading that session, I will only watch the live streamer that got similar trading approach with me. And after I finish my trade, because I usually one shot, one kill. So after trading the market open, I will watch other live streamers, because like I just finished the day. I can watch whoever I want. Because for example, I don't trade the second leg of distribution. So for those who trade it, I don't watch it when I'm trading. And for those who use large stop loss, which I'm not saying is wrong, but for my trading approach, if I insist to trade minis, I shouldn't use a large stop loss. So I will also don't watch those traders. NQ1 already took all-time high, really? I didn't even take a look on NQ1. Thank you for telling me, Alphas. So we got we sweep the buy side liquidity, the sell side liquidity with NQ. Didn't do it on ES. Only got an equal low here. So maybe it's actually a bullish S&P. Who knows? See, that's why I said I have to wait for it. I have to wait for this BC. Just like what ICT used to do, like for the first presented FVG, he'll always use the relatively larger one. If it's like too small, he won't see it as first presented FVG. I mainly watch ICT traders. because I don't want to watch someone that telling me to enter with VWAP, which is like, I mean, I know what is VWAP. I know Bollinger Bands, all those fucking indicators. I learned it all. I actually take an exam for all these things, but I just don't use it. Four-hour FVG, let me take a look. 4 hour. Oh, this one. Well, technically, we are still inside this 1 hour FVG. We didn't really inverse it because we back to the range. I really don't like what we are doing. I mean, it's like a flat, right? Which I don't use those pattern trades, but we are literally in a flat right now. See here and here. I don't like it. Also got this in yes, isn't it? I am so glad that I was waiting for this busy. This is awesome. Lam Martin, what do you think about order flow? You should type English, you know. I mean, because we got so many traders here, so you have to let everyone knows what you're talking about. Do you think you can combine ICT with order flow to increase the win rate? I don't use order flow, but like I can always. I mean, ICT is kind of one of the trading strategy. So if you backtest your strategy, which is I think your strategy is like combining order flow and ICT, right? So if you backtested it and then demo trade it, all those results, all the data is showing is a good strategy, good rewards ratio, good RL, good win rate, then yeah, of course you can use it. I mean, I don't use it didn't mean that it's a bad strategy. But of course, for social media, I'm gonna say everything other than ICT concept is shit. It's trash. You know, for social media, of course we're gonna say something like that. But in reality, you just use whatever you want. But you have to backtest it first. Because your backtest data is telling you if your strategy is working. And when you demo trade it, is testing your trading psychology. So it's two different things. One is practice for strategy, the other is practicing for your psychology. You can't just learn something new and then just apply it on the market right away. You have to do all the work before that. And also remember to write trading journal. What is the yellow color? Oh, it's end dot, new day opening gap. So obviously this BC is doing his work, is holding price up again. I'm so happy that I decided to use this one as the benchmark instead of this one. I'm so glad I make that decision. But obviously, even if I want to take a long, I can't take it here. I mean, like, what? I'm not gonna take a long here. I know price may turning it into IFV, but no, I'm not taking it here. I would rather, if price going up right now, I will just wait for reversal, and then probably look for 1 to 5. Because if price just go up and sweep the Asia high first, then it means we're not only high time frame bullish, we're also bullish for London session. So even price we chase after sweeping this Asia high, probably not going all the way to the equal low I want. Probably just sweeping some minor sell side equity. So I may not get my 1 to 2 risk reward ratio for that. What is that? Is it a broker? Is it a CFD broker? Xness? Is that how I pronounce? I don't trade CFD anymore. And no, I'm not recommending any CFD broker. Trust me, I trade a lot of CFD brokers before. They are all trash. Those are famous, like, big brokers, and most of them are trash. And you know what? People being an affiliate of a CFD broker, all of them make a lot of money compared to being an affiliate of prop firm. It's like 10 times more. But I still don't do that. I know if I represent one of the CFD firms, not firms, CFD brokers, I can make a lot more, but I don't want to do that because they're all trash. They're all trash. I mean, unless you're in probably the UK, because if you use the spread betting, you don't have to pay tax. But if you trade futures, you need to pay it. So that's why you use CFD. I think it's okay. But if you got a choice to trade futures, I just don't think there's any reason for you to trade CFD at all. Even FTMO, if you ever trade with FTMO before, you know how large, how wide is that spread. Even for Euro USD, I'm not talking about indices. Even for Euro USD, which is like, we got a lot of liquidity for Euro USD, right? And GBP USD, but he just make a huge spread for it. And in the back end, those brokers can manipulate their spread anytime. So they're using the spread to hit your stop loss. It's true. It's not every broker. Some of the shady broker do that. Not every broker. But like the spread is something that they want you to lose money. That's why they set a bigger spread for every instrument. And for those CFD brokers affiliate, every time you took a trade, they will get commission. And so your spread, part of your spread is actually their profit. So for example, I don't know, like 2-point spread, then maybe 1 point is their commission. So you can think about how much they're making. And they can see all your trades. Don't ask me how and I know everything. I'm not an affiliate of any CFD brokers, but I just know it. I know the details. They know all your trades. They know if you're profitable today or you're losing, you're blowing up your account. They all know all these details. So do you still want to trade those CFD brokers? Just think about it. Okay, we just sweep the minor bias equity on both NQ and ES. We probably get a displacement right now. In the UK, CFDs are highly regulated. It's not the case in other countries. Yes, you're right. But I gotta be honest, because if I don't have to pay tax for using CFD in UK, but I have to pay tax for futures, then yes, I would say it's reasonable to trade with CFD. Because if you compare with the tax and the spread you're paying, you probably pay less, right? But for many of us, it's not the case. Yeah, scalping is hard. Yeah, exactly. And you actually can trade indices. It's not like you can't change indices, but you got huge spread. Your prediction is we will actually take Asia high this time. Yeah. Let me think. So I'm thinking after price taking Asia high, because we can still get some liquidity here. No, I'm not taking long. I mean, I just don't want to take a long position with all these LRL here. It's just like a trap to me. But yeah, I know those haters gonna say, oh my gosh, she's scared to take a Che in front of everyone. No, I saw so many comments like that. You know, some of my followers will take screenshots of them and send it to me, which I highly recommend don't do that because I don't want to see those comments. I want to know what those haters doing, which because it's like, I don't bother to know it. I don't care. So don't send those screenshots to me. Set up a LLC and trade futures within that. But it's so hard to open a futures account for LLC. Like even when I open a futures account for as an individual, they got so many compliance check. Like they are actually asking me to send them my income statements every fucking month. So if I use set up a LLC to open a futures account, I probably take me 1 year to do that, I would say. More prediction after Asia high is taken, we go down to a 1 CE of 4 BC. And then back up to a new all-time high. Yeah. So for those who said no sweep, no chase, now you get the sweep. So what are you guys thinking? For those who are waiting for the sweep, you get what you want right now. But technically we're just consolidating. So this is the start of this London Q zone, right? And then right now, after 1 hour, we are still he's inside this range, which this liquidity sweep is actually the 3 a.m. candlestick. So we make it basically just consolidating. Nothing happened. Isn't your model turtle soup long shot with IFVG for NG? This is part of the model. Actually, you need more. I mean, you can just use the Chris Sweep and IFVG and then get the J. I mean, if that's the case, then why would us watch ICT videos for so like over 1,000 hours? Oh my god! Right now the sentiment is kind of diversified. So someone just said price will go higher, and the other one is saying short it to ground. No, I'm doing nothing. For real. I mean, like, it's the right thing to do nothing, right? We're just consolidating. So, like, what do you want me to do with this range? Believe me, I want to make money. And believe me, I don't scare to take chase in front of everyone. I mean, if I scared to take chase in front of you, why would I do live streaming? Am I crazy? If I'm scared, then I shouldn't even do live streaming. I should just trade on my own, right? Don't short it to the ground yet. Yep, not yet, not yet. But you're the biggest short seller in the chat. Even you don't want to take a short, then yeah, I have to reconsider about my trading setup. If you don't want to take a short, then yeah, maybe I should skip it too. Oh, right now I need it. Right now I need to use it. I need to use this stress relief toy right now because it's been 1 hour, but I didn't got anything, man. I'm stressful for being patient. Ah. Yes, looks strong. Yep. You're right. Well, in that case, I hope it sweep the Asia high first. Then I can get I may get my 8% setup after Asia high sweep. Because right now, even long or short is not 8% setup. I mean, no matter you want to take a long or short, we still got liquidity, like no resistant liquidity on both sides. So just wait. You wrote a book about stress. Oh my god, please send me the book title. Do you get like Kindle? Because because when I read on Kindle, I can use the translation. Because when I read those English books, obviously I can understand every vocabulary. So if I use it on Kindle, they get some like remarks for those difficult vocabularies. That's why I can read all those English books. So I don't have to manually translate every word I don't understand. Learn to love stress. Okay, I will search it now. I don't love stress, but I really have to love stress, seriously. Okay, so this is the book that Ray's just mentioned. And also, she's the author, right? Learn to love stress, turn stress into motivation, mental energy, emotional resilience, and happiness. Oh my god. How many pages? 150 pages. Wow, that is. But it's like 2017. Is that? I mean, I'm sorry, I don't want to be honest, but is it updated? Because like it's like around 9 years ago. Is that updated, the content? I'm watching with reviews. All right, sure, no problem. Oh, the price is so good, man. Like even for the Kindle, it's like free for $3, which is awesome, right? Yeah, I'll definitely get it. Alright, we just sweep the high again, the bicyclicity. Also on yes, yes, so close to the Asia high. You write a new version, but the underlying principles are the same. Yeah. Great, great. I read a lot of these like personal development books, like Tony Robbins. I love watching Tony Robbins. I know like a lot of people think he's talking trash, but just don't buy the premium services because I bought it, which is not worth the price. You can just watch all those free stuff. And the book is great, which is not so expensive. So I believe everyone can afford to buy those books. But for the like premium webinar, I would say not necessary. It's too expensive for that thing. Yeah. The fee stop is enough. And I also listened to, I don't remember what's the name. Dr. Wayne Dyer. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, it's good too. Because like I just mentioned, we are like professional athlete, we are performance based. So our mentality, our condition, our emotions is affecting our trading performance every day. So this is definitely something we have to deal with, like stress, anxiety, and everything. The power of full engagement. All right. I'll take a photo for that. I will make sure I remember everything. All right, after it's just going back and forth. So this PD array actually holding price for 3 times, right? 1, 2, 3. Man, I hope we got something before 4 a.m. Or we're gonna just be chopping. But you guys understand why I didn't take any trade right now, right? Because it's literally nothing. I mean, this is the London Q zone. We've been live streaming. It's just nothing there. It's going sideways, yes. I feel like this chair is kind of too large for the screen, isn't it? It's like I'm sitting on a throne. But yeah, whatever. I mean, I didn't have anything for my background, so if one day I got some neon lights for the background, I will just change the chair. Yes. Because when I was doing some research for this Sugar Lab chair, on those review videos, that girl is actually mentioned it like She feels like she's sitting in the throne, which is awesome. I mean, after I hear these comments, I'll say, yeah, that is the chair that I'm looking for. It fits. No, it's actually not fitting. I mean, I'm quite short, so my feet, only my toes is touching the floor. I don't want to be that short, man. But you know what? I actually give up for wearing high heels because, like, if I compare to those Europeans, even if I wear high heels, very high heels, I'm still fucking short when I'm like walking next to them. So I was like, it's kind of meaningless to wear high heels. How tall? I'm just 165. So it's like 5'4", 5'5" for feet. 165 cm. My dream was 170 when I was a kid. I'm not kidding. I literally cried because when I realized that I'm not gonna get taller anymore, I was so sad. I mean, how can I be so short? That's crazy. But you know, if I look at my parents, they are not tall, so which is actually reasonable for my height. Like, I think my dad didn't even got 180, probably 178 or 175. And my mom is even shorter. So actually my height is reasonable, but I want to get taller. Average for women? No, how come? But the average height for East Asian women is 170, isn't it? You want 175, Rachel? Then you can be a top model. You can be a top model in Asia. Man pride is not doing anything. Oh, I'm so sorry. I feel like I just being offensive to so many people. I'm so sorry. So someone just said, in case you're 162, you feel tall around a lot of people. Great. Yeah, you guys are tall, for real. Chinese not a tall race. Yeah, you're right. Man, so boring right now. Do we get anything? Let me take a look on Go. I'm not trading, I just want to see. Do we get anything else? Oil. No, nothing. So boring right now. What is this shit? But seriously, you guys all see this LRL, right? I'm not the only one seeing this, right? Just like this. So when we get a displacement, we can expect some retracement back to the LRL, like just like this, sweeping all these swing low and LRL here. It will definitely happen for sure, but probably not London session. Probably BNY or NYM. Average height for East Asian woman is 5'2" to 5'4". Really? He's just stuck to oil. I don't know. Do we get any news from the FinTweet? Did I miss anything? I didn't check on the social media for the past few days. Any special things happen? And who is going to the Perform Expo in London? I'm just asking, okay? I'm just asking. I'm not saying I'm going. I'm just asking who is going. No? Anyone? Oh, right. Oh my god. That should go, right? Next time. I got something else to do for that week. Oh, so many people's going. Oh my god. Angela Martin. Dan Soon. What's the benefit of going? Serious question. Serious question. You get to attend an event full of traders, full of platform traders, which you probably hard to meet someone in real life, some platform traders in real life. So it's like a social networking event, I guess. You live in London and didn't know about it? Oh my god, I'm literally promoting them. Oh my god, you guys are going. You guys having fun without me. And yeah, I think they will get some giveaways. You can get free evals. Yeah, so it's worth the ticket, right? The ticket is not expensive, as I remember. The price is actually making you sleepy. That's why I need a monster, okay? Because London sessions always like that. You need some coffee. You prefer the all-night dark ways. Yeah, of course we got giveaway today, but you guys have to pump up the likes first, alright? We have to pump up the likes first. So when we can only trigger the giveaway when we get enough likes. So right now it's not enough, obviously. Ape has never have giveaway. How come? I remember they're giving away evals for a lot of events. You think no one is trading in that tower? What do you mean? No one is trading for this price session? Probably some scalpers. I'm so boring right now. It's crazy. How many monitors? 3. Like technically it's 2, because the third one is actually my laptop. So I'm using laptop instead of a PC. So when I was trading, I mainly used 2 monitors. I can use 1 because I used to have only 1 monitor back in Hong Kong, because it's so small. All apartments in Hong Kong is so small. So it's not like I can get 2 monitors, but it will become very crowded for my desk. So I only got one 32-inch when I was trading in Hong Kong. And when I was trading those 20 accounts Apex with my million payout, I only have one laptop 16-inch screen, because I was living in a Dubai Airbnb, so I didn't get an extended monitor. I only got my laptop. So I just want to tell you, actually, you don't need a lot of monitors. It will be more convenient for sure. But when I was only using my 16-inch laptop, I can still make a lot of money. So it's not like you have to buy a lot of monitor. It's okay for using only one. I got 16 laptop, 70 laptop, or took any trades today. If I took any trades for this London session today, like from 2 a.m. to now, I would be dumbass. For real. I would be really dumbass. I would be like a complete newbie on trading, because no one should ever trade this price session. No one. I mean, eval trade, yes, but still, no, not recommend. Any recommendation for extended monitor? Well, I don't know much about those technical stuff. I'm using the Samsung Odyssey G8 32-inch and LG 27-inch. Both of them are 4K monitor. Mike always jokes about having 17 laptops. Do you still watch ICT videos? Because I actually realize a lot of traders, which is like profitable traders, like highly profitable traders, they talk about they've done watching ICT stuff after they get a solid trading model. So I'm thinking, should I do it too? Because I'm not watching every videos right now, because I don't have enough time to do so, obviously. But if I have time, I'll still watch it. I don't know if it's gonna make good impact or negative impact for my current models, actually. So yeah, I'm thinking about it right now. I only trade NQ, right? Exclusively for NQ. I mean, I trade other assets before. I trade forex, commodities, ES before that, but right now I will only focus on NQ. You go back and refresh yourself to some of his videos. Okay, good. And I actually realized that sports betting is actually illegal in UAE. So don't ask me if I bet on anyone. No. The answer is definitely no. I didn't bet on any sports or any fighter. No, absolutely not. Use poly market. So someone's just long on NQ. Where did you enter? Here, right now for this week? Well, unless we got something very solid, or else I'm not taking many trade. Did anyone take any trades right now? Like, or in a position, or already finished a trade? Smallest scalp ever. Long to Asia high. Silver bullet? Where the hell is silver bullet? I didn't see any silver bullet here. So yes, sweep the Asia high. Alright. Let me put something here. Good morning, Alpha Gary. First time here. Welcome to my channel. So I live stream here every day, almost every day, at 2 a.m. Eastern time. Can you briefly explain your strategy as nothing happening? So I use ICT concepts and turtle soup model and 2022 model. Is it brief enough? But I customize all those trading models as something that is suitable for my trading approach, my risk tolerance, and my personality. Do we get SMT? Watching this PA give you heart attack? How come? It's just chopping. Going up, going up. So boring. Yeah, exactly. This is putting us to sleep right now. Just nothing happening. I mean, it's all eval trades. So one of my friends just got moved to TPT Pro Plus yesterday. Awesome. I think he got free payouts from the Pro account. Let me take a look. Yeah. So he got free payout from the Pro account and then got moved to Pro Plus, which is great. Right now, TPT got 40% off for all those accounts. And you don't have to pay for activation fee too. Because they actually got something new, which is called Pro Plus Development. So it's a stage between Pro and Pro Plus. So if you blow up a lot of times, which I don't know what is the standard because never mentioned it. So if you blow up a lot of time, you will get moved to that Pro Plus Development. But I never seen anyone got moved to it. Like none of my friends or traders in the community got moved to that stage. But if you get moved to that stage, it's kind of suck because the rules are crazy. I mean, it's kind of trash for those purpose development. So if you're trading with TPT right now, just try to stay conservative or just build a buffer first. Because I believe no one wants to move to the purpose development. All right, good night, Ray. Have a great sleep. Man, I want to sleep too. Should I just go back to sleep? I'll wait until 4 a.m. Eastern Time. That changes only happen when you blow up so many times, then you will get moved to like the focus pan on top step. But right now I never heard anyone got moved to it. So it counts like a warning. So they don't want you to go too aggressive on your account. They don't want you to take reinforced chase. I think that's the reason why they publish something like that. But right now for the Pro account and the Pro Plus account, all the rules are the same. Nothing changed for those Pro and Pro Plus. Please do live stream every day. Yeah, I'm almost live streaming every day, almost every day. I'll also come to the stream tomorrow at 2 a.m. Eastern Time, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next stream. And also you can join our free Discord channels. So Pro Plus development after blowing up Pro Plus. No, they actually don't have a standard rule for how you're gonna move to Pro Plus development. So they think it is case by case. And because I don't have any reference right now, I don't know anyone that can move to that stage. So I think everyone is safe. It's cheaper to get a new account than to reset in TPT. It depends on your account size. If it's 150k account, yes, but if 50k account, then reset is cheaper. And my code for TPT is Candice. It's candles. I think I will run another TPT giveaway like next week or maybe tomorrow. So last month when I won the TPT giveaway in Discord, you know, I was planning to, let me take a look. The original plan is actually giving out 350k account and 350k account. But since we got more people than I expect for the entry, I actually increased a lot of accounts from 3 accounts to 9 accounts. So for anyone who's worried about don't know if you can get in for the giveaway, no worries. Almost everyone got a free account. Almost everyone, for sure, for real. Because I'm always being good, I try to give out more free accounts for the community. So yeah, I'm trying to negotiate with all those affiliate manager from every platforms. We got a huge bearish candle here. Maybe because of the bearish SMT. I will still use this BZ. If I want to enter a short, I'll still use this one. Because this one just hold the price for 3 times, so I would say this is a essential PD area for me. But the stop loss is hard to, man, I may need a larger stop loss in that case. Because I have to at least, oh, I don't like it. If I want to take a short here, because if we got CB here, price can just pass through it and then we chase back to the CB and then go down again. So I need a larger stop for this one. Alright, I just get in. Yeah. I think I need to. Risk reward ratio isn't quite good. It's 1 to 1.8, 1.9. Is 22 point stop loss with 1 contract only. Let me see. Well, if this gap can stay open, it would be great for the short, because that means it's a breakaway gap. But if price, if the candle body is closed in the upper part of this CB, then we may gotta stop out. I may gotta stop out. Stop loss is heavy. Right now, we need to go down again first because this BC is still holding price. It's not a valid IFVG yet. It's still a BC. Because you can see the candle body goes around, I think, 1 point, which is not significantly below it. So we can see it as a valid IFVG. So I'm kind of like getting in early. So it's not a confirmation. So once again, I'm being FOMO. I'm being FOMO. So I shouldn't enter like this. I should have wait for the confirmation. But I'm just greedy. I'm greedy and FOMO at the same time because I'm greedy for better risk ratio, for a smaller stop loss, and I'm fear of missing out the short opportunity. So I'm actually being fear and greedy at the same time for entering this trade. Right now for yes is still acting normal. Yes, acting normal. Oh, wait, you're still here. I hope it's not going to Asia high since I already entered the chain. I hope it's going down. But for this candlestick, it's actually sweeping this sell side equity for the wick. We get a small CB here. Oh, if this can stay open as breakaway gap, then it would be great. It would be great. A bit tricky. Yeah. Since I already get in, so there's nothing I can do. Oh, so actually ES didn't sweep this low. Only NQ sweep it. Just wait. Wait for it. Wait for it. So right now we actually got bullish SMT, which is suck. So this bearish move is a bearish SMT from the Asia high with ES, and we actually right now we got bullish SMT with ES too because ES didn't sweep the low, but the NQ sweep it, which is very bad. I would have you stop. No, I think this is enough because if price did hit my stop, I would say price is going to the Asia high if I got stop out. So yeah, I don't want to put it here. Because if I'm wrong, then I should only run with a limited risk, not not a larger risk. Yep. Oh, the music. It's not looking good, chat. I feel like this is a losing trade because the gap didn't stay open, which If we are going down, we should stay open. So obviously we're not going down. At least not now. Last 2 weeks. Yeah. I get stopped off by the wick all the time. Yeah, I think I would close the trade. It just price shouldn't even go back to this lower part. I'll close it out. It's a loss. Oh my god! Just why at the moment that I want to close it, it will chase. I will wait for price to, if the candlestick go above this high, this middle line of this CB, I will close the trade manually. So right now this CE is the key. Okay, out. So it's a $380 loss, so around $400. They can listen you. Aqua futures. That is Aqua futures. Because I actually have an account for Aqua futures. I haven't traded yet. It's a brand new account. Because I'm still studying the rules, but it looks good. No. Because the gaps didn't stay open. It was a breakaway gap, but when price retraced back, it's not breakaway anymore. That means this displacement is not valid anymore. So the short idea is also invalid. New knows if it holds its rejection. It's not holding, obviously. What? Oh, well then it's kind of hard to. I think I need to wait for NQ sweeping Asia high for a second short position in that case. We just keep consolidating that range. Non to Asia high. It's not like you can. If you use it as a IFUG, then yes. If price retraces back to this BC, no, I just feel like let me think about it. No, I'll skip it. Because it's too far away from me, for me. I need a larger stop loss for that, so no. I'll wait for another trade. This London feels like gambling. You're right. Should have long of the 1 minute BC at 330. This one, yeah. I think this wick we chase back to this is good. But it retraces right now. It's actually looking good. No. I will just be patient. No. I'm trying to not be FOMO. Because if I really want to long to Asia high, I should probably do it with this. Here. With this retracement. And right now I'm like 15 points above to this entry. So no. You can always short from Asia high when we get there. I will probably get there at 5 a.m. I feel like since we've been shopping for like 2 hours, for the whole 2 hours. You're still holding the short? Where did you put your stop loss? Do you meditate? No. Because every time I try to meditate, do meditation, I just fall asleep. I'm so sorry. I just fall asleep. I'm so tired. I need to drink Monster every day. Mama just said, don't type Chinese in the chat anymore, right? I'm just, one last time I want to tell you guys, don't type Chinese here. Because the chat is for everyone, it's not only for you. So if you type a language that you are the only one that who understand, then no more live chat for you. So Mama just said that, I don't know, he or she followed my signal and then lost for the whole week. Oh really? Why do you follow my signal? Because I'm not giving signals here. You know that, right? I'm doing live trading here. If you follow me, that on you. Don't copy my chase. This is not financial advice and I'm not giving signals. And second, if you lose for 1 week, obviously you didn't actually follow my chase because I didn't lose for whole week. Just go back to watch my stream replay. You can see how many trades I took, how many winning trades I took, what is the out for my winning trades and for my losing trade. So if you did follow my signal, you're actually winning. So obviously you're lying and you're a fucking hater. Get the fuck out. I hate those people. You know what? You should always make your own decision. And when you lose, you don't blame anyone. I don't blame the market. I don't blame the chat or anyone. Right? If you're losing, the only one who you should blame is you. Alright? And once again, for whoever copying my trade, you have to understand you are the one who kicking the button. Did I force you to kick the button? Just like this losing trade for me. No one forced me to click the button, right? I kick it myself, so I can't blame anyone. I can only blame me. So I always said like, the fact that he typed Chinese here already show what kind of person he is. Because he don't care about any other people in the chat. The only thing he cares is himself. Other one can understand what he's talking about, no worries, right? I mean, if you're someone like that, don't come to my channel. Don't follow me, don't subscribe to my channel or everything. I'm not upset, I'm fucking annoyed by these people. Now, are you a kid? Are you 18 years old only? Because those kids, most of my haters are those kids that just are still studying college or just graduate from college. So I can understand because they are just, this is new to the world. They are like a newborn baby to the society. They don't know how the world runs. And I just want you guys know, if you take a losing chase and then blame on something else, no matter, maybe not a human being, maybe blame the market, or the market being too choppy, so I lose a trade. We shouldn't even do that, because we know the person who make that decision to click that button is us. So it's not about the market, it's not about the strategy, it's always about us. And when we take trades, losing trades, blowing up account, losing trade, the problem is us. Always, always. They just hate without a reason. Jasmine, what is it? Jay's not here today. You know, the funny thing is like, though people saying like, no Hong Kong traders watch my content anymore. I'm here to scam only foreigners. But you know, the back end data is, I can see like who are you guys come from? Like where do you guys come from, right? Which viewers from which countries watch my content the most, which is Hong Kong traders. So they haters keep on hating me but keep on watching my stream, which is very funny. I don't understand. So if you think I'm stuck, if you hate me so much, why you keep watching my streams? That's just so funny. Yeah, sometimes I actually like listen to the chat when I take a trade, right? Like I'm asking in chat, should I take a short right now? Should I take a long? And if I follow the chat's decision and then it's a loss or it's a win, when it's a win, I will say it's due to the chat, all right? But it's a loss, it's definitely because of me. It's not anyone. People, Carl June said, people hate what they can become. Yes, I feel like. Momo from HK, welcome. I mean, it's not all Hong Kong traders. I mean, just some of them, definitely. Love and hate relationship. No. That's enough. I don't want to deal with hate anymore. I mean, because it will be there. Those hates, it will always be there. We just focus on ourselves. Finally, the Asia high is gone. Did you take that long? Wait. Alpha, Gary, first time here and love it. You will be back. Great. Please come back. Tomorrow 2 a.m. Eastern time. What's this? This is another swing high and a wick. Man, I don't think we get any retracement because we keep on getting breakaway gap on this bullish move. Yeah, I will still look for reversal, but I don't think it's gonna happen anytime soon. So it's already 4:05, 4 a.m. right now. We give no attention to them. I mean, they come to my chat. Like, I mean, I don't watch those trash talk on social media, but if they come to my chat and talk shit about me, it's just like, they just literally like, they come to your door, ring your doorbell, and talk shit about you. So I can't ignore it. If they just ring the doorbell, I will see everything. Now short to the 4-hour CE. 4-hour CE is like here? You mean here? This 4-hour gap? Or this 4-hour gap? Oh. You took the long to cover the short position. I did think about it, but yeah, then I was just like skip it. Because it's like it's not my ideal entry. If I'm not shorting and want to take a long, this should be my entry. So at that time I'm kind of too high for my entry, for my original plan. Wake through your TP and didn't close your trade. That is awesome, isn't it? That means you can now close with a higher price. I'm not in Hong Kong. That's a toxic society. I highly recommend everyone who is living in Hong Kong just leave Hong Kong as soon as you can. To any country you want. It doesn't have to be like the Western countries, right? It can be anywhere. You go short right now, but we got so many displacement. I have to wait for the displacement finish to take a short. Yeah, I feel like we are taking our NYPM soon. The down move was a textbook chap. That's why I got chap. What's the problem with Hong Kong? You will only know it when you're living in Hong Kong. I see. You're not short yet, and your long idea is finished. Now the next setup you're looking for will be short. I am still looking for a short. Because obviously I can't get into any long. So the only thing I can do right now is just either stay in sideways or look for a short. Did you take a vacation? Yeah, I would say not a vacation, just got some time off from chart. I didn't even take any trades for the first 3 months. I mean, I take some random trades. I'm not saying random trades, but I'm not taking it very seriously for trading in the first 3 months in 2026. Like I was teaching my community, so I only take trades for teaching materials. So I'm not like taking a trade for my own trading account. It's like I'm not doing it for the profit. I was doing it for the community. Should you close long, you should take partial and trail a stop loss to break even. Price probably going up to this week. What do you mean? What do you mean by Candice is your daddy? I don't understand. Is that some kind of meme? Well, Hong Kong is like the apartments there is too small. It's like living in a cage, but it's so expensive. So I would say it's not about the price. It's even if you willing to pay premium, even if you're willing to buy a fucking expensive luxury house, it's still so small. Unless you're from old money, you can get a reasonable size for your house, for your apartment. Because I mentioned, right, like the 1-bedroom apartment in Dubai is larger than a 3-bedroom apartment in Hong Kong. So even if you're willing to pay for a larger size, they will still like make it small for every room and the living room. So the whole apartment is still like a cage. Ray, I actually said GM to you on yesterday PFM stream, but you left after I tagged you with GM. You left. Coleslaw. Everyone take this long without me. Oh my god. I don't regret. Because I need some time for... I want to make sure I didn't switch to a long position because of FOMO. Because I was just covering my short for the losing trade, right? So if I'm not in that short, yeah, I would say I'm highly take the long, but I just cover the short and then I switch to the long. It's not like you can do that. You can definitely do that. But for me, I know it's not good for my mentality, because if I do it successfully for once, I will definitely do it twice and more. And the second time I do it again, it's probably lead to a larger losses. Did you see Seth's new apartment? No, I didn't. How was that? One of your friends' grandma passed away and sold her huge apartment to someone from Lee Kum Kee family. Wow, so your friend is old money, obviously. Because if you're not old money, you won't get any huge apartment or house in Hong Kong. We're going to the NYPM session, Rick. The same high is this one. Should be this one for yes. Waterside views. That's awesome. I mean, since we're like traders, we work from home, which at least I am. A good view is just so important. I mean, so when you get like losing trade, losing strike, or you stuck in something that make you upset, just look around outside of your window. You will feel a lot better. For real, for real. Oh come on! I'm not gonna get my short setup for this London session. I feel like we'll wait for 4:30. Because if we don't get it at 4:30, price will just keep on going up. Or probably will happen in pre-MY, I don't know. We did take out a triple high. Where is that? This one, right? Yeah. You have such a nice view, really? Oh, I thought you're living in like a villa, something like that. Or are you living in a high-rise building? No short yet. I mean, I'm kind of sleepy. Yes, still in this high. Just eco high created. I want a shot right now. I want to, but it didn't sweep this high. We got so many volume imbalance here. If I get a short setup up here, I may just short to midnight opening price or maybe the high of the end dot. Like I'm not looking for more sell side. Maybe a good loan if we chase. No. Yep. Everyone's looking for a sell. Same here, same here. Look, we are looking for a setup here, and you talk about the giveaway. Of course, we have to finish trading first, right? It would be great if we got a wick here. Only a wick. Because if we get candlebody codes, we will need to sweep the previous daily high first before going down again. So it will take more time. No, not yet. Why some people short is fully bullish? Yeah, for this range it's definitely bullish. But you can always look for short idea when we are high time frame bullish. That's the good thing about trading futures, right? Market tape weekly OB, daily MB plus shifted structure downside plus what? The NWAT, yeah. Well, I would say we are still higher time frame bullish, but look for a short setup back to the middle of the range is definitely possible. Plus, we got so many LRL here, right? It's just like what happened yesterday for this London session, right? We've been chopping up displacement going up, and then we chase back to sweeping some of the LRL out. I would say this move is gonna happen once again today too. But you can see for this move, it's actually outside of kill zone for this short, like previous day London session. So we may get something like this today after the kill zone. So boring right now. We already took Asia high. What do you mean? No, I didn't trade the SpaceX. Did any of you get something? Got some position in SpaceX? Because I used to trade stocks on my IB, what is the IBKR? Interactive Brokers. But now I can't get in the account anymore because I changed my phone, changed the new phone, and then it said like what is not in sync with my account. so I can't get in the account anymore. But I withdraw the money before I change the phone. But right now I can't get in. What do you do when you're not live streaming? Learning. Either learning language or learning trading or learning about healthcare and weightlifting. Sounds so boring, right? I wasn't like that before, but since I'm getting older right now, so my life's become boring since when you're getting older, because I can't go to parties every night anymore. So what else can I do? Right, because of health cares. That's why I need to take it. We should have played Pictionary. Yeah. You don't go dating. Why do you guys always want to hear my dating stories? No, I gotta keep it private. I'm gonna keep it private. Alright. I'm not sharing my dating stories. But when I meet another red flag, I will tell you. I will share that story. No, oh my god, wait, that is disaster. Oh no, don't do that. That is disaster. I don't want those people. This is shit. Man, we're going up to the previous daily high. What is this shit? Seriously. Okay, right now I'm kind of regretting didn't take the long. Okay, for this move, I kind of regretting. Come on, come on. I need some short setup. Alright. But do you guys chase something like this? Like, because for the live streamers I watch, they're like, they don't long here, they probably long here for this consolidation. So they probably long here and stop loss set to here, TP here. Will you guys take this kind of chase? Because I'm not saying it's not good or what. It's definitely profitable strategy, but it's like it's far away from the range, from the low, and it's like premium of the range. So do you guys tend to take this kind of chase? You have chased that move for sure. Oh, I see. Yes, so like if I enter here, for me, it's like chasing the price. I'm not saying you can be profitable by entering here. I tend to don't do that most of the time. So when I see other people doing it and getting profitable, I will reconsider, should I adjust my strategy? But I will backtest it first. You blow your accounts many times by trading that. Alright, so ES didn't get to the high this week, like this one. This triple equal high is actually here. It's actually here for ES, so ES didn't go up. I'm actually using the wrong color. I want to short now. Took it. No. Am I being too reckless this time? Let me take 20 points stop loss. Oh, the risk reward ratio sucks. I should measure the risk reward ratio first. Yeah, I am not pushing it higher because if I'm wrong, that means price gonna go to the previous daily high. So there's no need for me to put it higher because it's gonna be a loss anyways. So I will just put it, stay my stop loss here. I'm trying to do a scalping here. So you can see my target is not like mid opening price, but only this week. But I can be wrong, right? I take wrong trades all the time. Five points above. It will tease a short then go up. So it's like me, right? It will tease me, so and then go up to a high again. It's totally possible. But well, I don't regret taking this trade because like I did follow the rules. If it's a loss, it's a loss. And the stop loss is reasonable. It's not like fucking large. But the risk reward ratio can be better. It only is like 1 to 6, 1 to 1.6. We actually got bearish SMT with ES. And ES is going down. And we sweep the PM session high. So for stock scalping, I think I did nothing wrong for that. But yes, if you ask me, is it reasonable for price to sweep the previous daily high first before going down? Yes, it's possible. But since this is a 1 to 1.6 RR, because I didn't put it at the end, so even if I get a W for this trade, I would just be break even. Like probably make $200. So it's not a complete win for me. Right now we're looking good. We'll probably go lower. But because my previous trade is a losing trade, so I don't want to go too aggressive. You lost your looks. I don't remember why you want to take that shot too. So we're halfway for the trade. I will move my stop loss to this high so I can get a better out. So after pushing the stop loss to here, shell the stop loss, it's a 2.5 RR, which is a lot better. Just with the minor sell security, please take partial if you are in the trade. I got one contract only, I can take partial, so I may just kill myself by not pushing it to break even. How am I gonna push it to break even right now? Man, I enter here. Always take partial, seriously chat, always take partial. I hope this CE of this CB can hold price down. Yes, it's still going down, alright, isn't it? Let me take a look on 1 minute. Wow, the 1 minute chart is like, I can't see anything. No, this is trash. This is trash. Don't go back and kill. This is trash. I think the short scalping is done. The short scalping is finished, I feel like. Because it stripped this minor sell side liquidity. If this CB can't hold a price, I'm done. RR is counted with initial SL. Charting doesn't make better RR. It's definitely make it better RR because it depends on how much you risk per trade, how many hours you risking. Because if I get stop out here, I won't get the same losing amount as I put the stop loss here. So of course, it's counting it. Oh. NQ just decided to give me another chance to get out of the trade, to get out of this trade. So right now I have to decide, should I just close the trade right now, or should I push my stop loss to break even, or just do nothing? Just building liquidity. Well, it's good. I mean, you're just touching the inversion and go down again. But just for real, always take partial, see? I mean, if you take partial here, I mean, you have nothing to worry about. Literally nothing. every year. It's so close to the current price. If I enter here with this retracement, yes, I can definitely set it to re. But right now, I feel like price is probably gonna consolidate here. So if I put stop loss to break even, it's just gonna kill the trade. But yes, of course you can set B. I'm just saying, like for me, my trading approach, you don't have to follow my trades or my trade management. It's retracing, chat. So after NQ decided to give me a second chance, I didn't get out. And yeah, it may turn into a losing trade again. No, don't. NQ, behave. Be a good boy, please. Yes, it's retracing too. Yes, actually, I would love to set the TP to MNO, but I get a losing trade before this trade, right? So I just try to stay conservative by get a smaller TP and a smaller stop loss. So even if we get a losing trade again here, I wouldn't like losing a lot because it's just like 11 points, right? Is that 11 point stop loss, which is okay. If I get stopped out, I will wait for the previous daily high sweep to get into another shot. But it probably will be outside of the London Q zone. So like it won't happen before 5 a.m. But I'm so calm. Like even though price is just keep on teasing my entry point and my stop loss, I'm so calm. Because it's a calculated risk with 11 point stop loss only. I forgot the emoji. Yep. So sorry. NQ looks like it's playing basketball. Okay, that is something new. I mean, this kind of description is it's first time I see something like this. Like it's basketball. But I understand what you mean. You don't need to tell me how much is the stop loss. I can Asian do maps very well. I can just see it and I know how much I'm risking. Man, am I doing a 3-hour stream today? That is crazy. Why am I streaming for 3 hours today? We got literally nothing for 3 hours. For a long setup that I missed. Because I love you all. Yes, of course. Of course. I love the chat as always. I love the chat when you guys don't blame me for my losses. When you guys can be staying awake, even though we got a boring market. What? You want me to do double stream to make up? No way, no way. I'm so exhausted for streaming new session. By the time of the evening, I'm already like, I need to get some sleep. I need to get a lab for it. $600 for TP, $600. Yes. So what's the point? I don't understand. Did you eat breakfast? I have 1 egg. And you know what? My personal trainer is saying I ate too less for the training because I only have 1 egg before going to the gym. We rechase once again. Okay, I feel like this time it's a real stop out because we've been rechasing so many times. Goodbye, thank you. Okay, stop out. Goodbye, money bad. We are going to the high. Do you trade gold? Nope. Is it just waking me out and then going down again? Then I will hate you, thank you. Then I will fucking hate you. Right now is $600 losses for today's London session. You warned me about the week. No, I mean I got a losing trade before that, so I don't want to risk too much. I want to get worked out. Because like for like the exactly right thing to do is I should reduce my risk after a losing trade, which since I'm only trading one contract, so I can like trade less position size unless I switch to MNQ, which I don't want to. I'll stay with mini. So the only thing I can do is controlling my stop loss. It's like the risk that I'm risking for the trade. You left a nice shot. Well, since I'm doing counter trend trading, so this is what I got. That's okay, means $600. Let me take a look. How much I got in the I shouldn't turn it on. 87,000. Don't hack my account, alright? Don't hack my account. It's my personal account. Since I got 87 inside. It's the curse. Come on. But actually, you know why I'm still staying on the stream is I want to know if I'm completely wrong for the bias, or is it, am I just not patient enough to wait for proper setup for the short? I want to know that. Because if it's like, if I'm just completely wrong bias, it's actually okay. But because it's because of I'm not patient enough, then that's something I have to improve for my next session or next trade. You think the bias and setup is right, but the price is manipulating? I kind of understand what you're talking about. It is requiring you to do larger stop loss, but if right now, if we look back to the two losing trades that I took today, even if I get a larger stop loss, I'm still losing. You know what I mean? So it's kind of meaningless for a larger stop loss. I'm gonna lose more if I take a larger stop loss for today's trades. Simple question, if you look at chart, which way is it going? Of course, we are high timing bullish. I mean, I'm not blind. We gap up yesterday. The market maker algos have changed for everyone. I kind of understand what you mean. Yes, today is too bullish. Right. You lost a PK. Oh, okay, Mama is still here. See, I didn't ban you. I didn't fucking time out you. And you're doing good this time. You finally not typing Chinese. That's a good sign. Very right. Very well. You are trying to improve for the chat. Awesome. This was the second leg distribution. Yes, you're right. You're right. Daniel Shader, you're right. Exactly. This is the second distribution. You're right. Lunch session been getting more motion recently. Yeah, I think it's hard for me to get anything right now. Let's start the giveaway. What do you think? I mean, there's nothing I can do. Nothing else I can do right now. Because we are getting too premium. And it's about to finish the kill zone. But I gotta say, I'm still expecting a short setup. Not now, but like, I'm expecting it. I just feel like this is the Judas swing. You want to see kill ducks? Guys, it's giveaway time. So just get into this code, please. If you want to join a giveaway. All right, I just share a link in the giveaway channel in my Discord. So for anyone who want to join the giveaway, please get in Discord and go to the giveaway channel. Click the link, fill in the form. What do you mean by you lost a PK? What do you mean by PK? I'm not so sure if PK is like a description or is it a physical thing. So everyone can only enter with one entry. If you enter more than one, you'll be disqualified. Penalty kick. I don't know. Must be English football team. What is that? And I heard the England team lost all their belongings for the World Cup. Like someone steal their belongings in the States, isn't it? That's crazy. Isn't it? Why? Isn't it your country? Why did you know that? You haven't watched any of World Cup. Same. I didn't watch World Cup too. So is everyone getting? Then I'm about to close it. Okay. You're half Irish, really? Okay, I'm closing it now. Okay, give me a moment. It would be soon. Let me get everything out. Cool. Awesome. Ready? Who's ready for some duck race? So let's see who's the luckiest person today. Did I block the... Okay, I didn't block it, right? Awesome. Already, did you get in? Did you get in? Did you fill the form? Let's go. Oh, who's that? Kun Si? Is that how it's pronounced? Oh my god, Chris, you're so close. Carlo, Balu, you're so close too. Are you here? Please type something if you're here. Oh, seems like it's not here. If you're not here to claim the prize, then it will go to the second place. Are you here? Kun, see? Okay. Please create a support ticket in the Discord. I didn't even tell you guys what accounts are we giving out today. So I'm giving out the Lucid account, Lucid 50k flex account. It's always flex actually. So thank you for the sponsor from Lucid. If anyone want to try Lucid or haven't tried yet, you can use code Candy for 50% off when you get your first 2 Lucid account for this month. After this, it will be 30% off. You can also get instant funding account, which is direct account, so you don't have to trade the eval in Lucid, but it will be like a bit pricey compared to those with evals. Yeah, Lucid Flex is great. I personally trade the Flex account too. Actually, before they announced the Flex account, I don't like Lucid, which you can just see all my comments about Lucid before, because those haters are using those to try to attack me. But I've talked about this many times. Before the Flex account announced, I don't like Lucid. But with the Flex account, they have no consistency rule, they have no daily loss limit, which is awesome, and it's also EOD drawdown. So after it, I switched my bias. I love Lucid now, and I trade with it. So for whoever want to try, remember my code is Candy for Lucid. Okay, so do we get anything? Man, I think that's it for today. It's a losing stream, unfortunately. We will see if we got anything back. But I only lose $600 today, which is, I would say, it's not that bad. I mean, $600. Yeah, I know it's a lot for some of you, maybe, but for me it's $600, not 6,000. It's not 60k. So no worries, we'll be back. See you all tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, yeah, I'll be back tomorrow 2 a.m. Eastern time. But tomorrow we got FOMC for NYPM session, so I don't know. I hope we don't get another consolidation day. And yeah, let's see how it is, right? If you think today is an L stream, which I think is L stream for real, you can put an L in the chat. If you think it's W stream, put a W in the chat. See you all tomorrow. Bye. Love you all.